Hi, I'm Alex with GutterBrush, here to talk about the winter benefits of GutterBrush. Here in the Northeast, we get a lot of snow. Without GutterBrush, the unprotected gutter fills up with snow, and during melting or raining, that water has no place to go, and it flows over the edge of the gutter. It turns into a solid block of ice when it freezes that night. With the presence of GutterBrush, the snow sits on top of the brush, and the brush is a protected flow channel. So the water has a place to flow. The melting and raining water flows underneath the GutterBrush and out. So it doesn't turn into that solid block of ice, and actually day by day, it gets better day by day. And the presence of the bristles accepts the warmth of the sunlight very well, and it aids in the melting process. Because they're black, they absorb the sunlight very well, and they transfer that warmth to the core and melt the gutter better. Thanks.